An asteroid as long as the Golden Gate Bridge will fly by Earth at 4:59 p.m. today. But don't worry, at its closest, it'll only be about 3.6 million miles away, which is 15 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon, so I think you're safe. Scientists are hoping to study the asteroid named 1998 QE2 for safety and commercial purposes. They want to see if they could eventually redirect asteroids away from the Earth or mine them for things like oxygen and water. Now, Paul Chodas, a scientist with NASA's Near Earth Orbit Program Office, told USA Today that the asteroid is, quote, one of the big ones. It's 9 times longer than a cruise ship and, like, quote, a visitor from deep space.
I was not interested until I found out how big it is. That's crazy.
Is it big for an asteroid? I don't know much about asteroids.
But then like I imagine they're like your size, not the size of a cruise ship. Like, that's insane. Why don't they have more creative names for these things?
You mean other than 1998 QE2?
Yeah.
That's because it's not like storms, which are like sexy and we document them, we talk about them, and you give them cool names.
You don't think this is sexy?
No.
It's traveling rapidly through outer space.
Say it again.
I think this asteroid is sexy. And as sexy as what? You just called a storm sexy. It's not like you're really dealing on a different scale here.
I am. Storms are cool and sexy. No one thinks asteroids. Only nerds think that
yes.
You'll see how big it is as it moves toward the Earth. Come on, man.
You know I wear that as a badge of pride, so thank you very much. But you remember what happened in Russia? It actually hit them, and then they have everyone screaming like it's the end of the world.
Yeah.
I mean, these can have big consequences.